Right, you do. So that's the Philips 5.1 home theater. This is the main unit, the subwoofer, and this thing is having 8-inch driver on the right side. And you've seen the unboxing and sound test video. Well, now that was the Bluetooth sound test, but today I have connected this to my PC using that optical. You can see that's the optical cable. So it's connected to my PC, and the 3 channels are right there at the front, and the rears are, one is here and another one is here. So today I'm going to do the sound test of this thing with the optical and connect it to the PC. So let's check the sound quality, and also I'm going to check some Dolby Atmos trailers. So let's start the show.
Welcome to Dolby Atmos. Please put on your headphones. It's a new way to experience sound. Unlike stereo, which is limited to 2 audio channels, Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you, far away, or right up close. Let's compare. This is stereo. And this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos can build worlds of sound to tell any story. It catches all the little details, puts you in the center of the action. It sounds just like the real world, and transports you to faraway lands. Go inside the story with breakthrough sound.